Okay, so this is going to be your example of finding the hidden question. Maurice has 6 boxes of markers. June has 5 boxes of markers. Each box contains 8 markers. How many markers do Maurice and June have all together? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight that question. How many markers do Maurice and June have all together? So I know that ultimately I'm going to be adding 2 numbers together, because that's what that all together tells me. So now I'm going to go back and see if there's something I need to do first, or if there's a hidden step that they don't come right out and say, first you need to figure out this. So Maurice has 6 boxes of markers. June has 5 boxes of markers. Each box contains 8 markers. Oh, well, if I need to figure out Maurice and June, I have to figure out how many markers total does Maurice have and how many markers total June has. But does it ask me that? That's a hidden question. I know that if Maurice, I'm gonna do my picture stuff, has 6 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and June has 5 boxes, and they each box contains 8 markers. Before I can figure out the all together part, the plus in the middle, all together, what do I need to figure out? Well, I need to know how many markers Maurice has, and I have to figure out how many markers June. Those are the hidden questions. It doesn't come right out and say, okay, Sam, figure out how many markers does Maurice have? How many markers does June have? How many markers do they have all together? So these 2 questions right here are the hidden questions. They're hiding in there. You've got to figure out what you need to figure out first before you can ultimately solve the problem. Thumbs up if you're hearing what I'm saying right now. It's a little more crystally clear-y. So here, I know my problem is going to be what? 6 times 8. And for June, it's going to be 5 times 8. So I know that Maurice has 48, and I know that June has 40. Well, if I go back to my ultimate question, how many markers do Maurice and June have all together? I'm going to add 48 and 40, which is 88. 88 markers. So the ultimate thing is you have to understand what it's asking you, and then go look and see what parts they gave you and what you have to do. They aren't going to come right out and tell you, hey, you need to figure out this first. They're asking you to be the number hunter and figure it out. Hopefully this will help you with number 5 and 6.